Hey everyone, how you doing today? Weather and Toilet Liker 8802 here. Welcome back to another video. So today's upload is going to be about the growing snowstorm potential around Halloween of 2019. Before I start the video, I would like to say that I would highly appreciate any more subscriptions to my channel. This is so that I can try to fulfill my short-term goal of 100 subscribers by January 1st of 2020. As of today, October 27th of 2019, I have 98 subscribers and will need only 2 more, believe it or not, to fulfill my goal. Try to express how you feel about the video by clicking the like button. If you don't like it, that's okay. Comments are always encouraged, and like usual, I will always welcome any constructive criticism about my weather videos, but I will strictly prohibit any negative comments, as those will immediately be deleted by me. Some other reminders before I start the video. I am planning on doing daily update videos about this storm system. The last one will most likely be created late afternoon on Wednesday, October 28th of 2019, and hopefully uploaded by the end of that same day. Like usual, I hope to record some winter weather alerts before and some alert updates before and during the storm. However, the NOAA weather radio station I listen to, which is Cedar Rapids, Iowa WXL 61, went out of service yet again for the second time in my YouTube career. However, there's a bright side. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities, Iowa, says that the station might be back in service by Monday, October 28th of 2019. My fingers are crossed that service will hopefully be restored by then. So let's start the video with the basics. The what is the potential for a winter storm. When is Wednesday through Friday morning, the brunt being Thursday through Friday morning. This is low confidence at this time, so the exact time will likely change as the storm gets closer. The where is portions of the Southern Rockies, the Midwest, and the Great Lakes. Other information. The heaviest snow will occur in much of Iowa, southern Minnesota, much of Wisconsin, and the entire upper peninsula of Michigan, and northwest portions of the lower peninsula of Michigan. Cold, gusty winds are also possible, which could make for possible blizzard or near blizzard conditions if the storm intensifies more than currently forecast. This snowstorm will be preceded by a less intense snowstorm that will occur on Monday night into Tuesday morning, October 28th to 29th of 2019. This will dump 1 to 4 inches of localized totals, with localized storm total amounts to 6 inches. This snowstorm will likely start as either snow or a rain-snow mix before changing over to or remaining all snow by Thursday evening, October 31st of 2019. The forecast total for this period is subtracted from the final forecast by hour 114, which is 12:00 or 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time on November 1st of 2019, which is a Friday. Enough snow may fall to cause disruptions to Halloween activities on Thursday, October 31st, 2019. Even more information, impacts to travel activities and perhaps daily activities are possible, especially Thursday into Friday. Again, the brunt of the storm looks to be early Thursday into early Friday over portions of much of Iowa, much of Wisconsin, southern Minnesota, and the northwest LP of Michigan, and the entire UP of Michigan. This early Thursday into early Friday is when moderate to heavy snow rates can occur at times during that period. This is the GFS snowfall forecast as of the 18Z Tropical Tidbits model run, October 27th, 2019. Snowfall totals by 12Z 7 a.m. Central Time on November 1st, 2019. There is the potential for according to 12 inches of snow by the time this storm is said and done. This circle is a rough approximation of this circle that I just drew. This circle that I've just drawn is a rough approximation of the heaviest snow axis. However, this may still shift, as this is a good four and a half to 5 days out. And of course, the legend is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to explain that to you. So this is the GFS 10-meter wind forecast as of the 18Z Tropical Tidbits GFS model run on October 27th, 2019, which is the day this is getting recorded. It is now about 7:46 p.m. So this circle that I've just drawn is a rough approximation of where the strongest winds will be. Of about 4 to 28 knots. Localized gusts to 30 knots. Possible. But this may still shift like the heaviest snow axis. White shades, legend. White shades represent speeds less than 4 knots. Lightest blue shades 4 to 8 knots. Moderate blue shades 8 to 12 knots. Dark blue shades 12 to 16 knots. Darkest blue shades 16 to 20 knots. Darkest green shades 20 to 24 knots. Moderate green shades 24 to 28 knots. And yellow green shades 28 to 30 knots. 1 knot is about 1.15 miles per hour. For reference, remember that now. GFS 2-meter temperature forecast as of the 18Z Tropical Tidbits GFS model run on October 27th, 2019. So this little circle, this little weird shape that I just drawn represents the area of the coldest temperatures in the areas to be affected by the Halloween snowstorm. You can see that temperatures are in the 20s and teens, 20s and 30s across portions of Nebraska, Iowa, and Kansas and Missouri too. But look at these temperatures in the Rockies. Single digits to lower teens. That is absurdly cold. So temperatures will range from the middle to upper single digits in the Rockies and the middle to and upper teens to lower 30s elsewhere within the area affected by the storm. Probabilities for snow or sleet exceeding a quarter-inch liquid equivalent. Sorry for that several seconds of silence there. So anyways, those dark red circles that I just drawn in either map represent the most likely area for any snow or any snow. So light greens represent 10 to 30% probability of snow. Darker greens represent 30 to 50% chance of snow. That is for Wednesday through Thursday. Now for Thursday through Friday, it shifts off to the east, affecting areas from northeast Kansas through Iowa and Wisconsin, the UP of Michigan, to portions of eastern Canada. But I'm not talking about Canada here. I'm talking about the U.S., which is the country that I live in. Disregard that. Disregard what I just said about the U.S. Anyways, like the map right there, like the map at the left, the map at the right has the exact same colors and probability thresholds. Light green 10 to 30%, darker green 30 to 50%. So the sources that I've used are the tropical tidbits for the model runs, and for the snow probability graphics, the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center. Anyways, that's it for today's video. If you like this, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click and/or any of my other content. Please be sure to click like, comment, and/or subscribe. And I will catch you on the next episode. See ya. Bye.